How to fix Instagram camera black screen. So hello guys, welcome to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, so first thing I want to do, open the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this, and then click on this force stop option and go into the data usage and make sure that every option right here is enabled like this. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back again into the settings on your phone and open the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi and then disable it and wait a few seconds and enable it again. Now you have to restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end.